Most trending programming languages in 2024. In the past, only a few individuals were considered computer programmers with the most cutting-edge programming skills. Nowadays, most IT positions require understanding the most popular programming languages and yes, many.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
If you're seeking to progress in your profession or switch careers entirely and require learning the best programming language, you may be wondering which one you should learn. It takes time, money, and effort to learn the most popular programming languages, and therefore, you must choose the best one. There are a variety of considerations to consider when making your choices among the most popular programming languages, such as the level of difficulty you're willing to take on. The existing knowledge you have is in alignment with your current coding abilities or your motivations for studying a top programming language. If you're planning to build an application for mobile devices, obtain accreditation for your programming skills, or acquire new abilities, it is essential to master the appropriate programming language with the lists of the most popular programming languages available. Below, you'll find a list of 10 of the top language for programming that will be in demand with hiring managers in 2024. There are details about each language and its complexity, and how it's utilized. List of top programming languages to learn in 2024. Given below are the most popular programming languages to explore at current. JavaScript programming language. JavaScript is the utmost programming language among the leading fundamental technologies used by the World Wide Web. It is a client-side programming language for 97.6% of all sites. JavaScript was initially developed to create web browsers, however, they are utilized for server-side web deployments and non-web browser-related applications. JavaScript was developed in 1995 and was initially named LiveScript. Benefits: easy to master and easy to implement. It is used everywhere on the internet. It is possible to run right away within the browser on the client side. Reduces the load on the server for websites. Sometimes, it is thought of in different ways by various browsers. This makes it difficult to write cross-browser code. Degree of use: the vast majority of people use it, highly effective. Annual salary projection, $111,660. Python programming. Python is among the most well-known programming languages and is simple for beginners to master due to its ease of reading. It is an entirely free open-source programming language that comes with numerous support modules and community development. It is easy to integrate with web services and user-friendly data structures and GUI-based desktop apps. It is one of the best programming languages used in deep machine learning applications. Benefits: flexible, naturally intuitively readable, highly considered official tutorials and documents written instead of compiling. Downsides: don't begin with programming fundamentals, known as abstracting too many essential fundamental concepts. Popularity: growing in popularity in business and technical applications. Degree of use: coding is a popular skill and popular in the field of technical training as well as for business applications. Annual salary projection $72,500. Golang programming language. Go was created through Google in 2007 to support web-based APIs. Go is presently perhaps the most famous programming language due to its convenience and its capacity to oversee multicores and arranged frameworks and gigantic codebases. Go, also referred to as Golang, and was developed to address the requirements of developers working on big projects. Level: intermediate to beginner skills. Difficulty: it is easy to master if you have some other language. Otherwise, you'll need perseverance and the desire to master. Platform: desktops are cross-platform. Popularity: not as well known as Java or Python, however, it has been growing in popularity. Benefits: it is widely regarded as to be a minimalist language, easy to master, transparent code, compatible fast. Downsides: there are no generics, which means that you could end up having to write more code than in another language. The Go developer community isn't particularly robust or supportive, with minimal library support. Degree of use: the most widely used, mainly used for Google applications created by Google. Annual salary projection: $92,000. Java programming level: intermediate. Skills needed: problem solving, understanding of the structure of objects. Platform: web, mobile, and desktop. Benefits: considered a great start to learning how to think like programming and develop abilities you'll be able to access, manipulate. Yearly salary projection: $79,000.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.